Hey guys, this is Jesse Clark with Small Business Resources. I'm back today with a review on and.co. This platform is really great. I just came across my inbox. I checked it out. And to be honest with you, it checks every box except for two features that I really need. So unfortunately, I probably won't use it, but I want to review it anyways because it might be perfect for you. So let's check it out. Okay, so here is and.co, and let's just go down here and check out what they have before we dive into my account. So there are proposals, there is invoicing, there are payments, contracts, time tracking, expenses, tasks list, and reports. So let's log in. So I am on the free free trial with one client. So obviously, if you wanted to upgrade, it'd be the $18 per month. But I'm just going to walk you through some of the options. Okay, the features. You can just close out of all these things, watch the videos, what have you. Okay. So my desk, this is going to just show you what I like about this. This is my open tasks that I have. Okay. And if I click into a task here, you can see what it is. You can have the details, due dates, lists. You can set it to a project or add it to a new project. The client right here, and you can make it a repetitive task. So this is awesome. Okay. Moving right into clients. You can see that this is my client here. You can edit the information. You can invoice them. You can archive the client or delete the client right from here. Let's go into the client, see what we have. You can see the tasks that I have associated with the client, which is great. Address and contacts, the project that they belong to, invoices that they have, any transactions that you have with them, and you can make notes for this client. Excellent. Moving on to projects. This is the project that I have this client associated with. You can add as many projects as you want. So test. This project is called test. You can see all the things associated with it, the project that it's called, and then of course you can go into task, timer, week view, reports. You could send your client reports or download reports for yourself. Invoices. What outstanding invoices do they have? Do you need to invoice them a new invoice? Different transactions. And you can have files associated with this project. And then of course there's notes. And then you can of course see everything that is up in the menu for each project. You can also see those things on the left side. Okay, so here's would be all of your invoices, your proposals, contracts, subscriptions, and I love this as well because you can set it up with Stripe, which I use Stripe. Time tracking, I love this. You can filter through client, through project. This is very clean and easy to use. Different transactions, which you can access your expenses. You can import bank accounts. You can keep track of it as like an accounting software. Statements. Shoebox. This is pretty cool right here. So whatever, you can just read here, turn files or emails into expenses, income, or attach them to projects. So you can collect all these things in one place here in the shoebox. You can keep track of documents and add files via direct upload or email to shoebox and.co. So I can write from my email that is associated with my account here. I can forward any emails to shoebox at and.co. What that does, it'll put these files and turn them into receipts that you can keep track of. Let's just go in here to your settings. So you can put all of your business information in here. You can do Stripe or PayPal. Here's some different integrations you can use. Of course, you can sync your bank account. You can import data. expenses, income, clients, etc. Slack, Zapier, which also has some different connections you can use with Zapier. Shopify, import income from sales, and you can sync your calendar. Okay, so up here, let's keep going. You have notifications, browser notifications, email notifications, time tracking reminders. You can set up different templates for create custom email messages and access them from the email composer. You can create a template that can be used when sending out invoices. Account and security, you can change how you log in. You can change your plan, user information, and your billing information. Now up at the very top, at any point in time, you can create any of these things on the fly. You can also go ahead and start a timer, okay? And then you can assign it to a project, give it a name, etc. You can access support, FAQs, tips, and updates. There is also an affiliate program where you can try all features in 30 days to get $20 towards your and.co pro account. You can also refer a friend, and if they sign up, you'll get credit as well. Wish that this did was that I would be able to forward emails and turn them into tasks, which it seems like they would be able to do it, but who am I? I'm not a developer. There's probably a huge headache involved with that. It is also missing a client portal. I really need for my clients to be able to log in and to track all of their own invoices, how much time I've spent on their tasks, information on their projects and files, etc. But it does not have that. So like I said, this really checks all the boxes except for the help desk, ticket system, and the client portal. Well, there you have it. That is and.co. This platform is great, and it's clean, it's easy to use, and I really like it. So hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one.